Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Yachtlife, Yacht Charter app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Yachtlife is a luxury yacht charter app designed to help users browse, compare, and book private yachts across global destinations. The platform offers a curated collection of boats ranging from day cruisers to superyachts, complete with pricing estimates, amenities, crew details, and destination options. It's available on both iOS and Android and connects users directly with charter specialists for personalized booking support. The app's main feature is its streamlined yacht discovery and booking interface. You browse available yachts, view high-quality photos, review specifications, and submit charter requests instantly. Yachtlife also provides real-time availability updates, destination guides, and concierge-style assistance to help plan events, vacations, or luxury travel experiences on the water. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its premium design, professional charter listings, and quick support from real agents. The app simplifies what is usually a complicated booking process and offers transparent yacht details, making it easier to compare options without endless emails or calls. Travelers also value the ability to explore global charter locations, from Miami and Dubai to the Mediterranean. However, there are some drawbacks. Final pricing may vary depending on season, fuel, crew fees, and destination rules. Some users report limited availability during peak travel months. In addition, many luxury yachts require advance booking and high deposits, which may not suit casual or budget travelers. In summary, the Yachtlife app may be worth using if you want a premium, streamlined platform for browsing and booking luxury yachts with expert support and worldwide options. However, if you prefer budget-friendly travel or need instant confirmations without agent involvement, the platform might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.